Hey, welcome back to the workshop. So I got myself one of these 20-ton Harbor Freight log splitters. It got good reviews and I got it with a coupon, so it was a good deal. Been wanting a log splitter for a long time, so I finally went ahead and did it. So hold on, let's open it up. All right. Just picked it up from the store. I had to special order it. It took a couple months to get here. Here it is. All right. Looks pretty good. Don't see anything damaged. So far, so good. Assembly required, as it noted on the website. Partially assembled anyways. And I parked under my overhead crane so I can pluck this stuff out a lot easier. But yeah, and the cool thing about it is it's got the double-ended splitter, so you can split in both directions. You don't have to wait to recycle it all the way back, which is pretty awesome. So I'll let everyone know how this goes when I get it together. Take care.